Hi, this is Science Library. Today we are going to discuss the stress. So what is stress? Before we define stress, let us consider our body, which we have in this figure. The arrow shows the force and the red cross section shows area in which the force acts. By considering the area and force, stress is defined as the force across a small boundary per unit area of that boundary for all orientations of that boundary. To more clarify, we have figured here we have a cubic box which is under a weight. Due to this weight, the deformation can be seen with the red lines. The formula of the stress. Stress also defined as a force per unit area. Stress is equal to del F over del A. Del F is the small force and the del A is the small area. Now, if we want to define the normal stress or shear stress, we have to define the unit vectors or the normal vectors. The unit vector of shear stress is perpendicular to the plane and the normal stress vector is parallel to the plane. We take another example that we have brought with the weight. The weight produces stress in the bar and each particle of the bar pushes immediately to the below direction. Here we have another example in which we have the liquid container. The liquid push the container's inside wall to the outward. So basically the stress is due to material. The material is resisting the force. That resisting force is called the stress. The container wall and the pressure including surface such as pistons push against them Newtonian reaction. These macroscopic forces are actually the net result of very large number of intermolecular forces and the collision between the particles in those molecules. So what is unit of stress? The dimension of stress is that of pressure and therefore its coordinates are commonly measured in the same units as pressure, namely Pascal, that is Newton per square meter. Newton is the unit of force and per square meter is the unit of area. In the international system, Pascal is the unit of stress. There are two types of stress. One is normal and the second is shear stress. The normal stress compression of the tension perpendicular to the surface and the shear stress that is parallel to the surface. Thanks for watching my video. Do not forget to like and subscribe.